How to extend image using AI for free. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can extend your image using AI for free. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, simply search for AI image extender on your web browser. After you search for that, you'll find a lot of different options available. I recommend using PixArts. So there you will see PixArts AI image extender. Just open that link up. After you open it up, you will see that you can simply drop a file here. So let's drop a file. Get this and drop it right here. After dropping a file, it'll load like this. And yeah, you will need to create an account. So let me just sign in with my email. You can do the same as well. It's really easy to log in using your Google. And there we go. So now what you have to do is you'll simply have to choose a ratio. So let me just use one for my Instagram. And all I have to do is drag it and drop it right here. I can simply extend like this, then tap on generate. So I tap on generate, it's gonna take some time, but it will fill out this and excess space using AI. And yeah, wait for it. There you can see, and that's basically how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.